Assalamu alaikum. Once I was listening the speech of Sir Qasim al-Shah, so he was telling about the theme of which is the two signs of great men. So the sign of great men is that he is always working silently and letting the results on time. The time is announcing his opportunities and successes. And the second sign of great men is he is always free from criticism and praise. He is just working, not caring about the hurdle, not caring about the things what is in my way. So he is just moving on. In short, I will say that a great man is like a river. As you know, that river is not caring about what type of hurdle is in my way. He is just making the way to flow. So river is always busy and making the way to move on. So be a great man. Thank you.
Excellent. That's very good.